good afternoon everyone. Welcome to our life in the Philippines. Now we're here in the airport city.
Yeah, this is a park.
Yeah, you see on the background behind us there's a big helicopter.
There was that helicopter model was used a lot. Excuse me, I have a little cold. It was used a lot in the Vietnam War, so it's an interesting little park. Not a whole lot, but it's nice to get out here, maybe have a picnic. A lot of history though. This whole area right now where we're in is the old Clark Air Force Base where the Americans had their base until the volcano that actually shut down. I can't even remember. Well, Pinatubo. Mount Pinatubo. And that erupted, and that pretty much put this entire area under ashes for a long time. Angeles City was pretty much a dead city for a long time. The Americans left, and there was not much going on here. People had a hard time to recover and survive. But now, 20 years later, it is a booming city again, and there's a lot of companies coming in here. You have tire manufacturers, you have dealerships, you have different kind of manufacturing, and one of the big things in here in Clark is also call centers. I believe both AT&T and T-Mobile has their call centers here in this area.
Yeah.
So a lot of activity and things to do and things to see. This gets you away from the party life down in Angeles. So we like to come out here once in a while. This area is huge. It's literally thousands of acres. And further up inside here you have Fontana, which is a development. You have some casino up there. However, I think the casino is temporarily closed due to some regulations. But there's a lot of hotels up here. There's hotel expansions up in this area. And it's a beautiful area actually.
Yeah.
My wife says she doesn't care about the airplane. She wants to play in the park with the kids.
No, it's not true.
No, I know it's not true.
Look at my side. It's like a sky. That one is a Philippine helicopter, I think.
Yeah.
It's
The Hui.
UH-1H Hui. Oh, my God. It's big.
Yeah, these were actually used, a lot in the Vietnam War, and it's interesting looking little helicopters actually. Personnel transport. It's amazing how these blades can actually lift this thing when they take off. Yeah, so this is the park here, and it's a pretty big park. It's not so much occupied during the weeks, but on the weekends a lot of people come out here. There's a kids playground down there that way, and a lot of people come in here.
Yeah, Michelle is walking on the park. Oh, that one is a nice Christmas tree. Huge. That one's huge. Yeah. What's that? It's just a jet fighter or fighter
Yeah,
jet?
some kind of jet fighter.
Yeah, we go closer.
I'm not so sure what they are, but I'm sure we can display. I don't know if you're allowed to walk around.
Yes, we are allowed. I don't know what name of that jet.
Yeah, I don't know either.
Yeah. It's hard to see the. Yeah, that one is. I think it's like a war jet or jet war. It's a plane for ano.
Yeah, that's not a jet, that's a proper warning.
Yeah, we will look the name on this plane.
You see that, right? There you go.
What's the name of the plane?
Trojan,
Ah, it's like a Japanese. Tora Tora. Yeah, it's over there. It's like a Trojan. The name of this plane is Trojan. Yep, look. It's bigger plane. Yeah, that one. Over there. Yeah, it's nice. We're going to the other plane. Philippine Air Force planes over there. We will walk a little bit closer. So we will see what's the name plane. Blue Diamonds Philippine Air Force.
Yeah, you have a sign on the other side of it. That'll tell you what it is. Go down this way.
Where? That one. F.
All the freedom fighters. There's no airplane, and there's a sign for the different fighter range. That's a air base. Blue Diamonds and aerial demonstration. It was used for show, air shows.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Yep.
Fighters, 22 and 35. A lot of difference.
Yep. It's nice looking jet. Yeah, wow, that one is nice. Philippine Air Force.
Yeah.
I think the name is on the concrete.
Yeah, you're allowed to walk up here.
Yeah.
It's like a showpiece on the pedestal.
Yeah. Ooh, look at that.
So you can see the Philippine Air Force Power Memorial Mastery of the Air is the only strategy on which some military principle should rely for the decisive force in modern day conflicts is air power. Yeah, that's true.
Yep. Look at the wings. Huge.
Yeah, it was a while since this was here.
Yeah.
Like a shark.
look like an ano. They draw a shark face.
Yeah. Yeah. Like a shark.
Yeah. Now we're doing a video in this big plane. Yeah, it said Philippine Air Force 301. Yeah, oh, it's a huge.
It's a flying drum.
Yep. Really?
Yeah.
What's on the underneath the big hole?
That's the intake for the jet engine, where the air, when they are moving forward, the air is coming in that way.
Ah, I
Pushed
see.
through the jet engine.
I see. So that's the name of the plane, F8 Crusader.
Yeah. So it's pretty cool.
And it's really nice here. Yeah? Yeah, there's a golf.
Yeah, on the other
Golf.
side across the road here where you see the cars go by, there's a big golf course. I think it's 9 holes, but I'm not sure. I'll find that out and put it on the title on the video.
Are we allowed to go on the golf?
No,
No.
we're not going to walk on the golf course, but
Yeah.
just tell them, inform them that it's here.
Inside the Clark.
This road where you see the cars go down here to the right,
Yeah.
that takes you straight down into Clark Airport. However, we're riding motorcycle, and motorcycles are
It's
not
not allowed.
into the airport. So we will document that some other time, maybe when we are flying out of here. I think we're going to go to either Thailand or Hong Kong. Next time I have to renew my visa, which will be a couple of months. Then we're going to go out. And
2019.
yeah. Then we do some vlogs from either Thailand or Hong Kong. All right.
All right.
So turn the camera.
So
All right, guys. That's it from Clark for today. And thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell, and you will get notified of the new videos and other updates we're doing. Also, take a visit to our website.
yeah, our Facebook page is Expat Living in the Philippines. So you need to check it out also.
All right. God bless. Thanks
Have
for
a good
watching.
day.
Bye-bye.